Let me show you how I clean my dishwasher. Remove the filter, rinse it under the warm water. See, mine is not that bad. The reason why it's not that dirty is because whenever I load the dishwasher, I rinse my dishes. Rinse them in warm water. You can also sprinkle baking soda, but I'm not doing it today. So I'm just cleaning it. I sprayed it with soap. See how nasty the edges are. So clean it all around. Put the filter back. Rinse your dishes is so much better for you and for the dishwasher. Place your silverware on the rack. And also, I learned you don't have to put the dishwasher tablet in the dispenser. You can just throw it in the bottom of the dishwasher. And if the dishes are smelly, they're stinking, you can use 1 cup of vinegar, just pour it in the bottom. Now it's ready to start.